How to update Snapchat filters. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your filters on Snapchat. To update Snapchat filters, you generally need to ensure that the Snapchat application is up to date. For that, you need to open your Play Store of your device and search for Snapchat there. For that, tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar type Snapchat and search for it. If you found update button at the right side of the Snapchat application, then your application needs update. You just simply have to tap on that update button and wait until the process completes. But if you find open button instead of update at the right side, then your application is already up to date. You don't need to update it right now. Once you ensure that, come back to the home screen and open your Snapchat application. And once you open your Snapchat application, make sure you are logged into your account. You will land on this home page by default. Snapchat frequently updates its filters time to time, so you just simply need to swipe it to the left side in this camera screen and you can find the new filters here. You can also explore new features by tapping on this magnifying glass icon at the central button below and you will reach to this section. From here you can find your favorite filters at the top. If you want to remove any of these favorite filters, you just simply have to long press on it, and once this window appears here, tap on this red heart icon to remove it. Once doing that, the filter will be removed from your favorite list. And if you want to add a new filter to your favorite list, you can scroll down to find the one that you would like to set and long press on it. Once doing that, again the window will open. Here you need to tap on this heart icon right here and then it will be added to your favorite. By doing this, you will be able to update your favorite filters in Snapchat. Also, some specific filters might need to be downloaded. If you want to download them, you just simply have to tap on it to use it. By simply tapping on it, you will be able to download that specific filter. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your Snapchat filters. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.